Hey girl, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Monet, and if you're not, hey boo. So y'all, let's really get into it. I love my mini twists, I do, but baby, they looking a little rough. They look real dry actually. So I'm finna go ahead and get it together. At the time of this video, my mini twists were in for 2 weeks, so I'm going to refresh them and keep them in for another 2 weeks. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. The products that I'll be using are water, of course, the African Pride Moisture Miracle Leave-In Cream, and argan oil to seal in all the moisture. I'm only retwisting the perimeter of my hair, so right now you can see me separating my hair from what's getting retwisted and what's not. Now that I have my hair in sections, I'm going to start the takedown process. I know that it looks like I'm speeding through this, but that's only because I sped the video up. I'm really taking my time, making sure that I'm not causing any unnecessary breakage because I don't want that at all. Once that twist is taken down, I spray that section with water and I finger detangle. I take my time raking my fingers through my hair, making sure that there are no tangles because we don't want that at all. I did have some shed hair after taking my twist down, but that is perfectly normal. Your hair sheds daily, and my hair was in these twists for 2 weeks, so yeah. Now I'm applying a leave-in cream to my hair, making sure that the section is thoroughly moisturized, and I'm really just making sure that all of that product is in there just how I like it. So I start off all of my twists as a braid so that it doesn't unravel at the root. You can really just braid down as much as you want to. Like, it's really no set amount of times to braid down. After I braid it down to my liking, I twist as much as I can and then curl at the end. So twist and curl, baby, twist and curl. Let's just take a moment to really examine my hair now that I have a small section done. To the left, we have our 2-week-old twists, which look very much dry and calling out for help. And on the right, we have our new twists that look moisturized and full of life. Now that I have a full section done and it's looking real good, real juicy, real moisturized, I'm going to take my argan oil and I'm going to apply it to the section so that all of that moisture is locked in. And I'm going to repeat these steps for each and every section. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the journey that us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the big road one time? Sit down in a class and we both let only see the road and we go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Jump on stage with credit, say I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw ya, saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your heart and I'll live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey to just be the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. After I finish the perimeter of my hair, I'm taking a section in the middle and I'm giving it some TLC because we can't forget about her. I can't leave her out. Water, leave-in cream, and oil. In that order. And that's why I'm gonna give him the top. You know, some person ignited. Got the music me excited. Coming like a post.
So this is how my hair turned out. Let's do it side by side so you can really see the difference. From dry and brittle to shiny and moisturized. I love it. How long do y'all keep y'all mini twist in for? I'm really thinking about doing this style more for a length retention. It's cute, low tension, and it's versatile. Like, I don't know. I really think that's what I want to do. I'm just taking my ponytail out, y'all. Like, I love this style so much. I'm really feeling myself, as you can see clearly. Like, the mini twists are mini twisting. But that's it for this video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.